Determination of chromium ion in water sample using linear least method using colorimetry. Colorimetry is a technique to determine the absorbance of light by colored samples. It works based on the principle of Beer-Lambert's law, which states that when a monochromatic light passes through the colored solution, it absorbs a portion of light and rest is transmitted. The absorption of light is directly related to the concentration of solution or intensity of colored solution. A is equal to epsilon Cl, where A is absorbance, C is concentration of solution, L is path length. Linear least method. Due to experimental errors and deviation, actual data may not perfectly follow Beer-Lambert's law. Linear least square method is used to fit a straight line to set of experimental data points. Y is equal to mx plus c, where y is absorbance, m is slope, x is concentration of chromium 6 plus ion, c is intercept. When DPC is added to the sample solution, the chromium 6 plus ion present in the sample reacts with DPC1, 5-diphenyl carbazide in the presence of acid like sulfuric acid. It is reduced to chromium 3 plus ion. The DPC itself oxidized to diphenyl carbazone, which then forms a violet-colored complex with chromium 3 plus ion. A 100 ppm solution of chromium ion is prepared by adding 0.0037 gram potassium chromate in 10 ml double distilled water. Further, 100 ppm solution of chromium ion is diluted to prepare 10 ppm solution of chromium ion, taking 1 ml from 100 ppm solution and make up to 10 ml using double distilled water. 10 ppm solution of chromium ion is then further diluted to prepare different concentration of solutions. 0.05, 0.1, 0.5, 1, 2 and 4 ppm. 0.00826 molar diphenyl carbazide is prepared by dissolving 0.0060 gram diphenyl carbazide in 30 ml ethanol. One ratio 1 sulfuric acid is prepared by dissolving 10 ml sulfuric acid in 10 ml double distilled water. All the required chemical solutions are prepared and water sample is taken. Vials are taken and prepare different concentration of solutions by adding all the prepared chemicals in amount as given in the table and make up to 4 ml using double distilled water. Firstly, set zero absorbance using blank solution. This ensures that the instrument measures only the absorbance due to the analyte, not the solvent or reagent background. Absorbance of each vials containing different concentration of solutions are taken by photocolorimeter one by one, and readings are noted. These are the absorbance for different concentration of chromium ion solution. Using that calibration curve, concentration of chromium ion in unknown sample is determined. And amount is calculated as 1.65 milligrams per liter. Following the same procedure in water sample, we can determine the concentration of chromium ion in other samples like soil and food samples.